go to Stitch. With this button, you can play your design from the desired stitch point and check the design further. First select the button, go to Stitch, use shortcut key, E, and then click on any stitch you want to go. Now, if we want to, go to any particular stitch. First, we will check the stitch number by pressing E shortcut key. Here, you can see the stitch number 6441. Now, press Alt+K shortcut key. And here, we will add the stitch number, then press OK. Here, you can see, the machine has been a move on that stitch number. Let's see again. The stitch number that we will add here, will the machine move on that stitch?